Hey guys, it's Coconut Pencil. In this video, I'm going to show you the most common and essential art tools that every beginner must have in order to start drawing. So, I have here in front of me just a few things to get started with drawing. And that would be a small sketchbook. This is A4 sheets. So you definitely need some sketchbooks or papers. And next important thing are the pencils. So you can find a little drawing set pretty much anywhere. This is really affordable. This is normal pencil. Next thing are different kind of eraser. This is just a regular old plastic kind of erasers. This is best for beginners. And you can also get an kneaded eraser. They look like this, but usually they are completely square and flat. You can shape it and mold it into, a really fine point eraser. Next, pencil sharpener. This will help you sharpen your pencils. These are called blending stumps. It is a rolled up sheet of paper and with really fine points. And you rub it. They're pretty much for shading. And this is painting brush. If you don't have blending stamps, you can use this for blend your shades. So this is end of my video. I hope you enjoyed watching this, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe. Thank you.